what building this is? Let's get a little closer. But for those of you who know the area, look over there. There's the Swan. And over here is the brand new Swan Reserve. Yep, we're staying here for the first time ever. So after this day, we will have done the Dolphin, the Swan, and the Swan Reserve. We're excited to check out this brand new hotel and let you know what we think. Hello. Good. So the lobby's on the second floor actually, so let's head on up. We just checked into room 4315, and immediately to your left is the bathroom. There's a single sink. There's a toilet. And then there is a shower. There you go. Nice looking shower. Everything's brand new, so it's fantastic. And then we head back outside. There is a closet in here with robes. I don't have to open that up. This one's a connecting room, so that's that. Then this room has a king bed, some divers in the painting, cool lights. And then with any Swan and Dolphin, you get the free 2 bottles of water each day. And then giant television, little sofa seating area, and then a work desk. And we're only on the 4th floor, so it's not much of a view, but you get a pool view. Not bad. Pool view. You can see other parts of the hotel over there. And if you look beyond the trees, you can see Tower of Terror. So you can see how close you are to Hollywood Studios. So this is really a no view room, but it's not bad. I mean, you know, I wish we were higher up, but not bad at all. So let me spin you around. So I'm standing from the window angle here, the sofa, the bed, and the room. Nice size room. Very modern and clean. Really much more contemporary than the Dolphin and the Swan since this is brand new. So it's a beautiful hotel. So we'll see how it goes over our next few nights here. So we're heading out to the parks. We just walked across the street and there's the hotel. And there's this walk. And if you turn around here, here is the path. This will take you to past the Swan on the right side, and then you'll be right with the boardwalk, the yacht club, beach club, and right at EPCOT. So just like that, in like 2 minutes, we're over at the boardwalk. So the location is fantastic, and it's eerie. It is so quiet, and there are no crowds today. Granted, it's the middle of the afternoon, but and the weather's in the 70s. Oh my God. No crowds, beautiful weather, loving it. And look at the first thing we do. We get chocolate chip cookies at the Boardwalk General Store. Our favorite on the way to EPCOT. Heading to EPCOT. Okay, we're gonna head to Connections Eatery and see what this place is like. We didn't come here when we were here last, so let's check it out. So we only ate 2 slices each. We got half of, what was your pizza? The white pizza?
4 cheese.
4 cheese. And then mine was the cars. It had truffle oil in it, and I had them add pancetta to mine. But we only got 2 each. 2 slices each, and we're gonna box it up and take it back. And then, if you see where we are, you can see the big ovens where they fire up the pizza. We've never sat in this room before, so it's a good location. So we're back at EPCOT. for extended hours. Not yet, it's only early. It's still early, it's 7:30. And we're doing Figment Journey to Imagination because it's a walk-on. Here we go, walk right on.
Para su seguridad durante su estadía en nuestros laboratorios sensoriales.
Join us as we ring in the most bountiful time of the year.
We just finished with the Living with the Land. It was a walk-on. And now we are heading to Soarin'. Hopefully it's not too long either. And the extended park hours have not occurred yet. So we're trying to knock off all the more slow-paced rides that everybody's been on. And we'll do the other ones later after the park closes during extended park hours. But straight ahead, Soarin'. We'll see how long this is going to be. We just wrapped up with Soarin', and now we're heading to the Seas. It's another walk-on, and you might as well do it since you're here. We're the only ones in Nemo. We walked right on. Oh, there are? Oh.
Dory, I am looking for my son.
Oh, I can help. Oh, good.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish! Totally! But everybody's looking for you! Cha!
When your dad was like, whoa! And then he was like, whoa! Now you're here, so like, whoa!
We just did Nemo, and now we're heading to Spaceship Earth and knocking them all off one after the other. heading to Remy's Ratatouille after hours. 9:30, past 9:30.
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
We are checking out the beach club after we finish up EPCOT. We only stayed for an hour at EPCOT and rode Remy's. That was fine. We're gonna go through the hotels and see what kind of gingerbread displays they have this time around. Alright, well, we just finished walking through the beach club and the yacht club and had a stop at the Beaches and Cream for a shake or a drink. Now we are heading back to the Swan Reserve. It's a beautiful night, so just walk away